Topps Chrome Bird, 1-box Jumbo, 1-box Hobby, break 3266. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll 8 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here, 8 here. Marlins up top. Pirates at the bottom. 8 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here, 8 here. Tom Hall up top. Cody at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Marlins didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. There's your squads. Here we go. Good luck. Again, guys, take your spots in Tribute. Take your spots in Tribute Divisional. 125 per. There's only 3 spots left in that break. Let me grab some card sleeves because I'm going to need them for this one. We'll go Hobby first. Good luck. Yes, take your spots in the Tribute Divisional. There's only 3 left in that break. 3 left in the Topps Tribute Divisional. That hits the screen next. See, orange to 25. That could be big. Good luck here, guys. Here's the Hobby. Alex Bregman, Refractor. Jordan Alvarez, Titans. Adley Rutschman on the Rook. Logan O'Hoppe, Rookie Refractor. Nolan Gorman, Rookie. Michael Harris, we got Gold Wave. Logan Webb for the Giants. To 50. Giants going to Curtis Maynard. You go, Curtis. 6 out of 50 on the Logan Webb Gold Wave. Nice hit. Lindor, Quan, Real Muto, Trey Turner, Refractor. Ketel Marte, Jose Altuve, Hyper. Alex Call. Tovar on the Refractor. What we got here? George Springer. Got the extra hit in this box. The Topps Chrome Authentics jersey. For the Blue Jays, going to Curtis Maynard. 3243 is the Chrome Mixer, right, Tom? Of course it will. You're right. Byron Buxton. Chris Bryant on the Hyper. Michael Harris, J.J. Bleday. Freeman, Michael Stefanik. Bryce Harper, Technicolor, Juan Soto. Miguel Cabrera. Mike Trout, Titans. Nick Castellanos. Nelson Velasquez, good luck. Lubob to 25 for the White Sox. Nice card there going to Tim. Tim always hits in the baseball breaks, man, I'm telling you. Tim knows how to hit. Lubob, 21 out of 25. Nice ticket there. Nice card. Schwarber, Mackenzie Gore, Refractor. Hyper, Rosa Reyna. Duran, Luis Castillo. Cal Mitchell on the rook, Nick Prato. James Outman, nice auto there for the Dodgers. Going to Tom Hall. There you go, Tom. James Outman on the rookie ink. Nick Lodolo. Shane McClanahan, Oscar on the rookie refractor. Hunter Brown, Jordan Alvarez, Hyper. Hunter Green, refractor for the Reds. Jeremy Pena, Arozarena and Vinny Pasquantino. Let me move some of these cards over, guys. Give me 1 second, and then we'll do the jumbo. Good luck, good luck. Sim says we love baseball. You hit, brother. You hit in baseball. There ain't no doubt. Go 1 pack at a time in the jumbo. Why not? Chris Sale, Jose Ramirez, Will Benson. Cleveland pack. Cleveland going to Scott Campbell, Mass. Benson on the rookie ink for Cleveland. JT Realmuto on the refractor. Pack 2. Alec Thomas, Future Stars, Jordan Groshans, rookie, and a Miguel Vargas refractor. Nolan Jones on the rook. So where's the Tiger autos? Aaron Judge, refractor. Gabriel Moreno, Hyper. Adley on the refractor for the Orioles. Baltimore, Russell Morgan. There you go, Russ. Got pink coming up. Anthony Volpe on the rook. Corbin Carroll on the rook. Vinny on the rookie for the Royals. Pink Oswaldo Cabrera to 350 for the Yanks. Going to Mike Whitaker. There you go, Mike. Cabrera to 350. Scherzer and Cade Cavalli. Oscar Colas, Christopher Morel, Oscar Gonzalez, Cleveland hits again to 499. Going to Scott Campbell, Mass. Nice ticket there, Scott. Garrett Cole for the Yanks on the refractor. It's a Cleveland box. Me being a Cleveland fan, I'm in heaven. I wish they were mine. Cal Mitchell on the rook. Bello on the rookie. Mike Trout, Technicolor. Nice card there. Anthony Volpe on the Hyper for the Yankees. And a Garrett Mitchell for the Brewers. Nice Volpe Hyper. Yes, sir, Tim. Yes, sir. Big Cleveland guy. Ruiz, Peraza. Tristan Casas, refractor. Miguel Vargas, Hyper. Jacob deGrom, refractor. Jose Julio, Future Stars. Adley Rutschman, Rookie Titans, and a Jordan Walker refractor for the Cardinals. Nice pack there. Cardinals to Marie Guppy. 3 packs left. Good luck. Adley Rutschman on the Rook. Austin Riley, we got ink. Nelson Velasquez for the Cubbies. Cubs going to Robert Kennedy. There you go, Robert. Michael Stefanik on the refractor Rook. 3 packs left. Good luck. Michael Harris for the Braves. James Outman for the Dodgers. Joey Meneses, Brian Reynolds to 99 for the Pirates. Corbin Carroll for the Diamondbacks on the Hyper. We'll take that for Arizona. Going to Dustin Waters. Go Dustin. Javier Assad refractor for the Cubbies. Tristan Casas, rookie. Xander Bogaerts, Cade Cavalli Hyper, Michael Harris refractor for the Braves. Last pack. Good luck. Gunnar Henderson for the Orioles. Bo Naylor, Technicolor, Titans Acuna, and Rhys Hoskins. Quick recap here, guys. Quick recap. Harris refractor. Carroll Hyper, Reynolds to 99. Velasquez, Jordan Walker refractor, Rutschman Titans Volpe. Oscar Gonzalez Cabrera Rutschman, Will Benson, Outman, Lou Bob to 25, and George Springer, Logan Webb Gold Wave to 50. That's the break, guys. That's the break. Thanks for the fill. Hey, no problem, Tim. No problem, brother.